Passing clouds watched, lying in the tall grass of abundant fields, in every direction, no wind in sight, plain. An exploratory expedition filled with awe at the size of the cavern, left feeling small. The delta slows the incoming tide, making space for sweet gum and tupelo. To some, a swamp is unwelcoming. To me, it's magical. High above, an idyllic paradise. Lovely pools, lavender blossoms, secreted among the trees, hills. Skyscrapers rise against the horizon, wall upon wall, ever higher, a range of man-made mountains.